So now let's look at some more complicated covalent bonding. Let's try and bond together sulfur, oxygen, and hydrogen. I'm going to start down here. The hydrogen is pretty simple to bond on. You just stick it next to one of oxygen's unpaired electrons and have it share its electron with oxygen. Hydrogen is now happy, or in its lowest energy state, because it has reached a full valence energy level. Because hydrogen is in the first energy level, it only holds 2 electrons. Oxygen now needs to share with something else. So in this case, it's going to share with sulfur. If it shared with the hydrogen, we'd close it off and we wouldn't be able to have any sulfur in here. So we put the sulfur in there, it's going to share one of its electrons there. It's got 2 pairs of electrons, and then it's got a single one over here. Okay, so now oxygen has a full octet, or full 8 electrons in its valence energy level, 2, 4, 6, 8. 2 of them are being shared, one from the hydrogen and one from the sulfur. The sulfur has 2, 4, 6, 7. And so it's going to need something else over here. Let's draw hydrogen over here so that we get that attached in there. Please notice how I used the colors. I did every other color in every other atom in every other color so that I can see which electron came from the hydrogen and which one came from the oxygen. So then I can count and see that I had 6 that started with the sulfur, just like sulfur begins with. Okay? And you see that both hydrogens have 2 electrons, and each of the other 2 have 8 electrons.